So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to unlock a Spectrum mobile phone, network unlock requirement and steps. So Spectrum mobile network unlock requirement. Before Spectrum will unlock your phone, these conditions usually must be met. Device must be paid off and no remaining balance or installment plan. Then phone must be active or Spectrum mobile for the required period. Typically 60 days. Account must be in good standing. No past due payments. Device must not be reported lost, stolen or involved in fraud. Only Spectrum sold phones are eligible for automatic network unlocking. If your phone is still under financing, Spectrum will normally deny the unlock request until it's fully paid. Check unlock eligibility. Sign into your Spectrum mobile account, then go to device or billing. Then confirm the phone is fully paid or active. Then contact Spectrum mobile support. Call Spectrum mobile support or use the My Spectrum app. Then go to support, then contact us. Request a network unlock. Then wait for processing. If eligible, Spectrum usually process unlock request within 24 to 48 hours. Some phones unlock automatically once approved. Fourth is complete the unlock. Insert a SIM card from another carrier, restart the phone. Follow any on-screen prompt if shown. If the phone connect to the new network, the unlock is successful. Important notes: iPhone often unlock automatically once approved. Android phones may require entering an unlock code. Spectrum provide if it needed. Military deployment request may qualify for early unlock with documentation. If the phone won't unlock, try these quick fixes. Restart the device, update software to latest version, reset network settings, then contact again to unlock status. Thank you.